Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. The Kingston College coaching staff say they got it strategically right after claiming their 32nd hold on the coveted Mortimer Geddes Trophy at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, which culminated on Saturday night inside the National Stadium. The purple and white-clad team racked up a record tally of points to win their first title in 10 years. Here's Jermaine Brown.
The curtains came down on the 2019 five-day Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships on Saturday night at the National Stadium, with the Purples reigning supreme from start to finish. You could call it the 10-year challenge, if you will, as Kingston College won their 32nd Boys Champs title and their first since 2009. KC, who never relinquished the lead after going out in front after day two, amassed a whopping 395.5 points, the highest amount of points ever tallied to win the Boys Champs title. They finished 82.5 points ahead of dethroned champions Calabar High, who ended with 313 points. Ironically, they broke the previous record of 368.5 points amassed by Calabar in 2018. Jamaica College with 232.5, St. Jago 106.5, Stets 90, and Woolmer's Boys 80 points rounded out the top 6 schools. But after coming close in 2017, when they lost by 3 points, and then being blown away in 2018 by 90.5 points, what made the difference at Champs 2019 for KC?
Well, what did that mean? We had planned for a champ, the opponent, and we knew what we could do. We knew how to strategize around getting all these points. So when we heard things that we were going to lose by 50 points, we kind of put the look at exactly what we have to do and then plan, and this is what the final results is that we win the champs.
Captain Therese Roden, who took silver in the Class 1 boys 800 meters and anchored them to silver in the 4x400 meter relay, explained where the inspiration came from to lead KC to victory.
Well, 2017 when we lost by 3 points, I was in Class 2 and I decided that I think I'm going to lead. I got a dream that I'm going to lead Kingston College to victory one year, and this year I decided that I'm going to lead and I'm going to take charge, and I got the permission from the principal, Mr. Dave Meyer. Without you, nothing of this would be possible. I have to give the Most High thanks. I'm really grateful and it's a great feeling.
Meanwhile, the outstanding Wayne Pinnock, who won the Class 1 boys long jump with a record 8.05 meters and the 110-meter hurdles also in a record 13.06 seconds, was named joint overall champion boy. Pinnock shared the prize with Calabar's Class 1 middle distance runner Kev Roy Venson, St. Jago's Class 2 sprinter Vashon Vasiana, and Jamaica College's Class 3 sprinter Christopher Scott.